That vigil wrapped up just about 30 minutes ago, but I want you to see what has been left over. Those electronic candles right there just lit up in memory of all those who lost their lives. And just above right there, right under the elevated train tracks, you can see that those activists also put down some banners asking for government action that will help undocumented immigrants in this community. By now, we've reported on the way COVID-19 has decimated the communities of Corona, Elmhurst, East Elmhurst, and Jackson Heights in Queens. On this night, they gathered to mourn for those who they've lost, their names written on paper, surrounded by candles.
One of my uncles had to keep working, and they had already said that there were 2 people in his job who had the virus. He put his life at risk. Ambulance took him to the hospital. He didn't make it through the night.
Their friends, neighbors, family members came together for a vigil adhering to social distancing guidelines in Corona Plaza, where earlier a moment of silence was held. The events were organized by Make the Road New York. The advocacy group says 67 of its members have died from COVID-19. According to data released by the city, over 1,000 have died in this community alone.
What we want to make sure is that we are not forgotten in this process. As we're seeing the stimulus packages that have come through, none of that actually comes directly to help the undocumented community.
State Senator Jessica Ramos has an ambitious proposal which would give families that don't qualify for stimulus aid, including undocumented immigrants, $3,300 a month during the pandemic.
These folks work very hard and deserve the same amount of attention as any other New Yorker.
Now, under that proposal by Senator Ramos, there would be a tax on the capital gains of the city's billionaires that would create a $3.5 billion fund. Live in Corona, Queens, I'm Christian Benavides, Pix 11 News.